How about some hummus today? I have some chickpeas draining. I have my can of tahini. I have my can of garbanzo beans. I have some cumin. And I have some lemon and garlic and red pepper. And so let's get started on this. I'm going to start with 1/3 of a cup of tahini, which I've already measured, and I'm going to pour it into my blender bowl of my food processor. Get all that in there. All right, so we're going to do that. And then I'm going to cut my, actually just going to put that on the machine, and then we'll cut our lemon in half, because fresh lemon is one of the big secrets to good hummus. Homemade hummus is not that hard to do. And we're going to use all this juice. We're going to go on and put half of that in there. Ooh, you can't even see what's going on, but you see my little happy face on my apron. And I'm going to be composting my lemon. And so maybe for us to see this a little better, let me do this. And we'll go on and put the chickpeas in there. Lost one, have to go find that later. Then we'll put the rest of the lemon in here. Some lemon. Ooh, this is going to be good. And do you like garlic? Because I like garlic. And to fix the garlic, we're going to have some fun with that. I have my fresh bulb of garlic. You could use garlic powder, but I prefer using the real stuff. And that means that you have to get some cloves, and you've got to kind of get the skin off of them because you don't want to eat that papery skin. So you'll peel those off. And one of the other good things about garlic is it's an antiviral, which we know is very good for us. And this is the season of the year where people are coming down with some crazy infections. You may have been reading about them in the newspaper. And so garlic is not a bad thing to eat every day. And the way that its active ingredient gets activated is when you crush it. So you can slice it, and it's not going to do quite as much for you as it is when you crush it. So I have this fun little gizmo that I'm going to crush my garlic with. And you can adjust the amount of garlic you want in your hummus. I like mine to have a garlic flavor. If you don't like the garlic flavor, then don't put it in there. This little gizmo is my garlic mincer, crusher. And so you just put it on there and you rock it back and forth. And then you can put a couple more of your cloves under there and rock it back and forth. Isn't that fun? And so you get all this nice, easy stuff prepared to put into the mixer bowl, which is over here that you can't see. So I've got the tahini, the chickpeas, the lemon juice, and the garlic in the bowl. And now my good friend Sonia gives me these beautiful bottles of olive oil. So I really enjoy learning about the things that she knows about good olive oil. And we're not cooking, so this olive oil is going to just give us all the good health benefits that it should give us. And so we're going to put 1, and then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in here. Get that going. And then let's put a little bit of fresh sea salt. And you can always adjust the salt on the other side of this. So we'll do the salt there. And then I like a little dash of cayenne pepper. So we'll put some cayenne pepper in this. Some people don't like the spices. I do, and the amount of it is up to you. And then the other magic ingredient is cumin. So we're going to use some ground cumin. And I'm going to use, I think I'm going to take the little shaker top off and reach in here with the end of my spoon. And just, I don't measure a lot of stuff, but, you know, it's about a teaspoon and a half. You can adjust it as you want. And then I'm going to put just a little bit of water in here because I think we're going to need a little bit of moisture. So I have a little bit of water in my cool little thing here. And we'll get that started, and then we can adjust it with more water if it's too thick. So let's put it on the blender and whiz it up, and then I'll check back in with you. So I've had it in the blender for about 2 minutes and it's still a little chunky looking to me and it feels very stiff. So I'm going to put just a little more water in there and then I'm going to continue to whiz it around on my motor base. I have a Ninja. I like the Ninja. It's been pretty nice to me. And you can't see it all, but there it is. And we're going to put the water in it. Yep, so a little bit of water. And then we'll turn it back on. We'll make sure we latch down the lid so it doesn't go flying all over the kitchen. I left it in the blender bowl and whizzing around for about 5 minutes. Don't be shy to let it go on and blend up so you get a nice texture to your hummus, because we all like that good, clean, smooth taste of a garlic hummus. And we'll put that in the sink over here. Then we'll put it in our bowl. And we'll, 1 can of chickpeas will give you quite a nice serving of this delicious hummus. And you can, I put it in a storage bowl and then I serve it in a really cute little dish and I'll pour some olive oil on it and I'll chop up maybe some parsley and sprinkles, maybe some red pepper seeds on it, make it look really pretty for my serving table. But I don't think I'm going to do that this afternoon because I really, really want to taste it. And I have these delicious Shackley snack crisps. So I'm going to open these up. I'm going to try them out because this is a healthy, it's got like 6 grams of protein in this chip. So I have some protein in my chip here. And I've got some protein in my hummus. Whoops, it broke there. Let's see how that tastes. Oh yeah. Nice combination. Hummus, and snack crisps from Shackley. Have a great afternoon. This is my experiment for today. And I think I might try some sweet potato hummus next. So stay tuned.